We'll guide you through on how to add multiple links to your Instagram account. We'll be using a service called LinkTree. If you find this guide helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So hop into your browser and click on the search bar and type LinkTree. LinkTree. After that, you have to click on the website which says Linktree, but the website's name is linktr.ee, which is this one, the first one for me. You can see the name on the top. After that, on this page, you have to click on sign up for free if you don't have an account. Okay, on this page, you have to add a basic information. It's really basic, so you can do that. After filling out the basic information and creating a password, you'll land on this page. And on this page, you can choose whatever fits you accordingly. For example, I'll choose influencer, and in the other option, I'll choose other, and then click continue. After that, you land on this page. There's a lot of plans in here, but you can go free if you want. On the top, just click on free, and after clicking the plan, click join for free. Okay, so this is important. After this, it says to verify your account, click on the link sent to your inbox. And it says my email after that. So you just have to go to your Gmail and click on the link which is sent by Linktree. So this is the email I was talking about. Now you have to click on verify email, and that's it. You have been verified. After that, you need to open your browser again and click continue. After that, you can choose a template if you want. I'm just skipping. Okay, finally. Now you're transferred to this page and you need to click on add link in the middle. Now over here you have to add links that you want to add. As you can see, I've added two links. One is my X account and the other one is my YouTube channel. You can add as many accounts as you want, but I'm just adding two. After adding your accounts, when you're done adding your accounts, you have to click on copy link, which is on the top. You can see it says copy URL. Just click on it. Now, after copying it, you can paste it in your profile. But what I've heard is that Instagram blocks all the Linktree links in the profile for some reason. So to prevent this from happening, you have to open another tab and search for Bitly. Bitly, yep. After that, click on the first website. Over here, you have to paste your link that you copied, and you have to sign up before you get the link. So I'll just do that. After signing up, you'll get your link. So just copy it. It says copy in the middle. It says copied. Now, what you have to do is you have to open your Instagram account. I'm opening my Instagram account. After opening your Instagram account, go to your profile, tap on edit profile, click on add link, paste your link here, link tree, that will be my, click on the tick mark, and done. That's it. As you can see, it's showing up in my profile. I'll just click on it to test it. And there you go. As you can see my X account, my YouTube channel, and that's how you add multiple links to your Instagram account.